This is where east meets west, where our feet meet the pavement, where we walk the walk. So I invite each one of us in our own way to connect so fully and deeply, or become aware with your connection, or rightly said, with the God of your understanding, the source of your being, with your spiritual practice and your breath. So we take the deep dive within, tuning in and tuning up, creating awareness, mind, body, and spirit, inviting the peace within to expand by creating right conditions. So with the inhale and exhale, we quiet the mind. And as we slow down the breath and still the body, the mind follows. We lean in to the stillness. And we simply observe, becoming present to the truth that we are not our bodies. We are not this separate sense of identity that we call me. That we are the awareness that observes this body, this life, this mind, this world. So we draw ourselves fully in to heightened awareness, higher self, the one who knows that it knows that it knows. That life is more than what meets the eyes in each moment. It is what is born from the heart. And there is one heart, one life, one love, known by many names and needing no name at all. It expresses from center to circumference. It is everywhere and inexhaustible. It has no opposite. It is the fullness of life, intelligence, and spiritual substance. Grateful for the power of the collective practice where two or more are gathered. We lean in to the stillness of the silence. invite us to take another deep inhale. And as we do, drawing the breath all the way to the third eye. On the exhale, allowing the shoulders to relax. On the inhale, the breath moving up the body to the crown of the head. And on the exhale, releasing. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. In gratitude for the lives we've been given, and the time and the form we give this life. And gently bowing to seal the practice as you choose. Namaste. The light within greets the light within.